Hey, what's up, everyone? Today is the 9th of January 2024. We have Satori Funds, Dan Niles, telling us his top stock pick of 2024. And you guys can see who it is. Amazon. Is he right? We believe the S&P could gain another 20%, 10% from earnings growth, and another 10% from multiple expansion, if the Fed does not, in fact, engineer the first soft landing since 1995. Niles said Wednesday in a social media post. Having said that, if we do get a shallow recession in 2024, given the long and variable lags in monetary policy, we could see the S&P down 30%, 10% earnings decline, and 20% multiple compression. Man, talking about opposite sides of the game. In one breath, he's bullish. The next breath, he's bearish. Looking for 20% move higher, 30% move down. It all depends. Again, that's why you shouldn't be fixated on one particular type of analysis. Because as we go throughout 2024, understand that there will be things that we will not have comprehended that could impact stock prices, that will impact the economy. So yeah, be prepared for anything. But always look towards the market as to what's really going on in the current events. The market currently looks bullish right now. So maybe his first analysis looking for price to go up 20%, the S&P 500 go 20% is logical right now. But as we go throughout 2024, and if the economy begins to change, Jerome Powell begins to make some drastic changes, drastic cuts, or maybe drastic increases in his Fed policy, we might see the reverse. Price go down 30%. Now, he has already relayed to his followers on Twitter or X that his top pick is Amazon. Why? Well, Amazon tends to gain market share during a recession and has a lot of profit margin expansion potential. These words that these analysts use is crazy because it always leaves them an out. Potential doesn't mean it's going to happen. So why is Amazon his top stock pick then? Because of this potential. He thinks this is a higher probable potential given all the other stocks in the market right now. Amazon's fits the bill, at least to him. Will he be right? Time will tell. Here's his post right here. Top 5 picks 2024. As a reminder, our initial top 5 picks coming into 2023 had a skew of defense and offense. Those were Meta, our favorite mega cap with low valuation and growth, MUFG, Japan abandoning yield curve control eventually, URA, resurgence in nuclear energy interests, XLV, defensive pick in case of a recession. Number 5, cash. Yep, gotta have that money. Put it in 3-month T-bills, which was the ultimate defensive pick. Our initial top 5 picks for 2024 also have a mixture of defense and offense. Amazon, big margin leverage and share gainer in a recession. Number 1. Now, in this post, he wrote a lot. If you guys are on Twitter, you guys could go ahead and find his name, Dan Niles, at Dan T. Niles, to read all that you want. But our focus on today's video is Amazon. Now here it is. My idea right now is for Amazon to go down. Am I right or wrong? Like I said earlier in the video, time will tell. I think price currently is still weak in Amazon, but I have noticed that the buyers is coming through on our first buy zone that I talked about. So yeah, am I a little bit concerned? Slightly. That the market is not as bearish as I may think it is. Just slightly though. But I'm gonna leave this alone. Just started out on this prediction that Amazon's gonna go lower. But Dan, obviously he's putting money looking for price to go up in Amazon. Okay. And I think the reason why he thinks this particular stock is probably the best is because it's not making all-time highs right now. All-time highs in Amazon occurred in November 2021. There's a lot of room for it to run up. I wouldn't be surprised if that's about 20%. Yep, 26% move right there. So he's thinking off of the current idea of being his top stock pick that Amazon is going to make all-time highs in 2024, which is very logical. I mean, I do see how bullish the stock is. It is bullish. If you're trying to hold a stock for long term, Amazon is that stock right now, because these 3-month bars is telling me how bullish the market is in Amazon. We're not done yet. That's what the 3-month chart is reflecting. Here it is on the 6 months. Massively bullish. I can see why this is one of his top stock picks for the long term. 2024. Amazon is there. So I would be in the camp with him, looking for the market in Amazon to continue to go up. These charts are not lying. The overall market, the majority of the market, thinks that Amazon is not finished with higher prices. So that's why we don't come in and try to buck the market. If everyone is bullish, and guess what? We're going to be on their team. We want to have the market consensus on our side whenever we come through and look forward to price action going in our favor. Now, that's the long term though. I'm going to hold on to my short-term prediction, looking for the price in Amazon to go lower, but I can already see that price is currently holding price. Buyers are currently holding the market. So I may, in fact, be incorrect in my current analysis. But yeah, long-term, my analysis would be for not Bitcoin, but Amazon to continue to go higher price. It's there. It's there. I mean, the longer term charts is definitely showing me that the market is bullish. So what else is there for us to do? Just kick back and relax and let the market run higher? Of course. Let's let everyone else do the work, and we'll come in periodically and check to see how it's trading. But I'm just going to leave it right there. You guys give me your thoughts. What is your top stock pick of 2024? Amazon should be in that particular group, because if Dan has done his analysis, his research, we can see off the price chart that the market in Amazon is bullish on a longer term time frame. And everyone else has done their research. I mean, what else is there for us to talk about? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.